What's up, Calc gang? We got a problem on our hands today. So basically this problem is asking, it'll be on the screen, but it's asking if you have a square fan blade with lengths of 2 and basically the left corner's at the origin, is it going to be easier to turn it over the x-axis or over the y-axis? So to solve this problem, we're going to need a couple things. Well, first of all, we should probably graph it because it's pretty easy when you graph it. You always want to graph these kinds of problems. So side lengths of 2, left corner at the origin. And as you see, the density is equal to 1 plus 0.1 times x. So basically, as the x increases, the density is getting the density is getting bigger. But as y increases, it doesn't really matter. So you can kind of visualize this. It gets more dense as you go this way, and less dense that way. So that's what the density looks like. So we need to know our formulas for inertia. So the formula we're going to be using for this is I of x is equal to the double integral over the region of y squared. See, the y connects to the x. Do not forget that. And then it's density, and then over the area. And then I of y is equal to a region x squared density x, y, dA. Okay, so now that we have all this stuff, we pretty much can just put it into an integral form and solve it. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's start with I of x. How much space I got? I got all this space. Let's do it over here. I of x is equal to integral of. So what's our region gonna be? Well, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you see it goes from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 2. So it's gonna be the same either way. So 0, 0, 2, 2. And y squared, p is this. I'm going to rewrite this as 1 plus 1 over 10, or x over 1 plus 10. All right, x over 10. Okay, so y squared 1 plus x over 10. And then which way are we going to go first? Well, we can do either way. I'm going to choose to do y first, but it doesn't matter on this one. It might be a little easier if you choose one or the other. I'm not honestly sure. Probably x would be easier, but we're going to do it this way. So I of x is equal to 0 to 2, 0 to 2. Y squared distribute plus x y squared over 10 dy dx. X is equal to 0 to 2. We're going to do this integral first. So with respect to y, over 3 plus x, y to the third over 30 from 0 to 2 dx. And then 0 to 2. So 2 here goes 8 thirds plus x, 8 over 30. dx. We should probably simplify this a little bit. 8 over 30 simplifies to 4 over 15. Then we can solve this. So 8 thirds x plus 4 over 30 x squared from 0 to 2. 4 over 30 can simplify into 2 over 15 again. And now we just solve. So 2 goes to x, so this is 16 over 3 plus 2, 4 times 2, 8, 8 over 15. And to simplify this, we have to expand to the lowest common denominator, which is 15. So 16 times 5 is equal to 80. So we have 80 over 3, or 80 over 15 plus 8 over 15 is equal to 88 over 15. Okay, so now we have one of them. But we can't do anything with this unless we have the other inertia for y. So whatever one is bigger is going to be which one is harder to push. A bigger number means it's harder to push, basically. So we're going to solve for I of y. It's going to be an exciting party. same bounds, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, it doesn't matter. This is just solving it twice basically, but x instead. 1 plus x over 10. I'm going to do dy dx. X squared plus and we're going to solve this integral. I say as I write the integral on the board, erase that. All right, so this is going to be 2x to the third over 3 plus x to the 4 over 20 from the integral of 0 to 2. This is going to become 2, 4, 8, 16 over 3 plus 16 over 20, which can be written as 4/5. Once again, we have to do the lowest common denominator on this. So multiply 16 by 3, or 16 by 5, which we just did over there, is 80 over 15. And then multiply this by 3, 20. Nope. Oh my god, guys. My brain's not working so good today. It's been a long day. 12 over 15 is equal to... Gotta go check my notes on this one, guys. Can't add that up. Alright, I think after addressing the book, this calculation is going to be 92 over 15. Alright, so 92/15 is equal to I of y. So now we see that I of y is greater than I of x. So the inertia over y is harder, heavier to push. Therefore, so we know that 92 over 15 is greater than 88 over 15. So it's harder to push in the y direction. And there's your problem. So good luck on your homework, guys. And wish me luck, because it's been a long day.